What's going on, everybody? This is Val with RedRiverRange, and today I wanted to go over with you the Glock Model 34. This one is in 9mm, coming in at roughly 33 ounces overall. You've got a 5.31 inch barrel. This particular model does have the Holosun already installed on it, and this one does have the magazine extension already built into it. This one has roughly about a 5.5 pound trigger pull. You do have the rail up front for all of your weapons mounted light systems, and of course this is the traditional Glock sights. Overall, you've got the, I call it the football goalpost from the front and the rear there. This one does have the adjustable rear sights, which is the one model that you can actually get the adjustable rear sights. This one is also ambidextrous, right and left. The only thing that is not is the magazine release. It is predominantly built in as a right-handed firearm. It is a fantastic firearm overall. It's probably one of my favorite Glock models. If you want to come in and check one out, I do have one available in the fleet. Thank you for joining us and watching this video. Check us out online and on YouTube. Again, this is Val with RedRiverRange.